in this video I am going to explain chapter 12 of class 8, that is exponents and power. In my previous video I given you a simple introduction about exponents and power. So here I am going to explain you the powers with negative exponents. About exponents we already know that how we can call this number. So of course we know that we can call 10 raised to power 3, and also how we can get the value of this 10 raised to power 3. So of course base is 10 means we are going to multiply 10 how many times? The number of times the number given as exponent. So here we have exponent 3, so we are going to multiply 10 in how many times? 3 times. So 10 into 10 into 10, we get 1000. Similarly 10 square is what? We multiply 10 how many times? 2 times. So we get 100. So what we can say? See, we can write this 100 as what? It is 1000 divided by 1 by 10. So 1/10 of the previous value. Okay. After that again we come with 10 to power 1. So it is 10. So we can write this 10 as what? It is 100 divided by 10. Similarly 10 raised to power, we already know this is a law of exponents. So 10 raised to power 0 is equal to 1. So that we can write that is equal to 1. So we can write this 1 as 10 into 1 by 10. So what we can see that as the exponents decreases by 1, here the exponents are decreases by 1. So here with 3 it become 2, from 2 it's become 1, and from 1 it's become 0. So what we notice here that as the exponent decreases by 1, the value become 1/10 of the previous value. So each time when exponents are decreases by 1, it is decreases from 3 to 1. So what we can say that their value become 1/10 time of the previous value. So previous is 1000. So if the exponent decreases by 1, so this value become 1000 into 1 by 10. Again, if the exponent is decreases from 2 to 1, so it become 10. So this 10 can be write as the 100 divided by 1. So what we conclude that as the exponent decreases by 1, the value become 1/10 of the previous value. So what? Here we already see about for 10 raised to power 0, it is equal to 1. So what if the exponent decreases from 0? So if exponent will decrease from 0, so exponent become negative. So it is 10 raised to power 1. So in this video we are going to discuss the power with negative exponents. So like power with negative exponents like 10 raised to power -1, 10 raised to power -2. So these are the negative exponents. So how we can represent this value? So as we can see that for each decreasing exponent, the value is also decreases by 1/10 of the previous value. So if exponent decreases from 0 to -1, so of course their value also become the 1/10 of the previous value. So previous value is 1. So if 10 raised to power 1 become 1/10 of the 1, so it is 1 by 10. Similarly, if exponent decreases from -2 to -1 to -2, so again it become 1/10 of the previous value. So previous value is 1 by 10. So 1 by 10, previous value is 1 by 10. So 1/10 of the 1 by 10 is equal to 1 by 100. So what we can see that? We can see that by another example. So suppose if I am taking any number like 2 to power minus 2 raised to power minus 7. So what we can see that here this value become 1 by 10 raised to power 2 means 1 by 10 divided by 1 by 10. So we can write this 2 raised to power 1 as what? It is reciprocal of base, means base is 2, so reciprocal of 2 is 1 by 2, and power become the positive of the same exponential number. So here we have exponential number minus 7. So my positive of minus 7 is 7. So this is going to be value of this negative exponent. So now we can write this 1 by 2 by 7. So this is how we can convert a negative exponent in a positive exponent. We can take some more example. Suppose I am taking another example. So how we can represent a 3 raised to power minus 11. So what I said, the first thing we have to do, we are going to take the reciprocal of the base number. So here base is 3. So reciprocal of base is 1 by 3. So now what we have to do, we are going to put power as what? The positive of same negative exponent. So here we have negative exponent as minus 11. So positive of minus 11 is 11. So we can write this 1 by 3 to power 11. So in general we can say that this can be denoted as a raised to power minus m can be write as what? It is 1 by a to power m. Okay. So by the help of this notation we can convert any negative exponent in positive exponents. Let's apply this formula. So suppose we taking a as any number 5. So and m as any number, suppose it's 27. So a power minus m can be write as 1 by a. So a is here 5 and power is 27. So we can write like this. So this is the general notation for the converting a negative exponent in positive exponent. So what is that? A to power minus m is equal to 1 by a raised to power m. So this is how we can convert any power with negative exponent in power with positive exponents. After that we can know that how we can get the value of any positive exponents. So that's all for today. Thank you.